Good morning, class 5th. Today is your English class, and we are going to start with a new chapter of your English book. And the chapter's name is Pleasure Trip. Now, what is pleasure trip? Pleasure. What do you mean by pleasure? What do you understand by pleasure? Pleasure means something which you enjoy a lot. जिसको करने में आपको मज़ा आए. Something which you relish doing, which you enjoy doing. Something which is filled with fun. So fun-filled things which you enjoy doing, जिसमें आपको मज़ा आता है, उसको प्लेजर बोलते हैं. जो चीज़ करने में आपको मज़ा आता है. सो द स्टोरी इज़ अबाउट अ प्लेजर ट्रिप. प्लेजर ट्रिप मतलब फन-फिल्ड ट्रिप. ट्रिप you all know when we go out somewhere, when we go for a trip, when we go out to see something, all right? So that is a trip. So pleasure trip मतलब fun-filled trip. Children, said our teacher, Miss Monica, one day, let us go on a visit to an orchard. So हमारी टीचर ने बोला, Miss Monica, one day that we should go to visit an orchard. Now what is an orchard? Orchard को बोलते हैं हिंदी में बाग. फलों के बाग को ऑर्चर्ड बोला जाता है, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स लगते हैं. वो पेड़ जैसे आड़ू के पेड़ हो गए, बहुत सारे मैंगो ट्रीज़ हो गए. तो जैसे क्रॉप्स को जहाँ पे फसल उगती है उसको फील्ड्स बोलते हैं ना, क्रॉप्स बोलते हैं. ऐसे ही फलों के पेड़ों को जहाँ पे बहुत सारे फल के पेड़ होते हैं और उनका फलों को उगाया जाता है, दैट प्लेस इज़ कॉल्ड ऑर्चर्ड. दैट प्लेस इज़ कॉल्ड ऑर्चर्ड मतलब बाग. आम के बाग, अमरूद के बाग, सेब के बाग. सो those are called orchard. So one day teacher said that we should visit an orchard. All right, what is an orchard, ma'am? asked Rohit politely. रोहित ने पूछा कि orchard क्या होता है. An orchard is a place where fruit trees are grown, replied the teacher. It is a fruit garden. So what is an orchard? It is a place where fruit trees are grown, जहाँ पे fruits के trees को उगाया जाता है. It is a fruit garden. Tell me, the teacher asked, why should we visit such places? तो टीचर ने बोला कि बताओ हमें ऐसी जगह क्यों घूमने जाना चाहिए. रोहित आंसर, it will be a pleasure trip, ma'am. तो रोहित ने बोला it will be a pleasure trip मतलब it will be a fun-filled trip. Right, the teacher said, but it will also give us first-hand knowledge of how people work in a fruit garden. So teacher said, though it will be a fun-filled trip, but it will also guide us. It will also give us knowledge about how trees are grown and how people work there. The children were very happy at the prospect of joyful outing. So the children were very happy. At the prospect of a joyful outing. Prospect means that the idea. Prospect का मतलब होता है idea, कि उस idea में बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा interested हो गए थे. They were very happy. So the class went to see an orchard in a village on the outskirts of the city. So what happened? The class went to visit an orchard. Class जो है वो पूरा orchard देखने गई. कहाँ देखने गई? In a village on the outskirts of the city. Now what is outskirts of the city? शहर के बाहर का जो इलाका होता है, शहर के बाहर वाले एरिया को outskirts बोलते हैं. Alright? So it was a big garden. There were countless trees of bananas, mangoes, guavas, oranges and peach. There were also grapevines in one part of the garden. So कौन कौन से trees थे वहाँ पे? Banana, mango, guava, orange and peach. और वहाँ पे grapevines भी थी. grapevine का मतलब जो vines मतलब बेल को बोलते हैं. So जो वहाँ पे अंगूर की बेल भी थी. grapevines मतलब अंगूर की बेल भी थी. अंगूर के जहाँ पे अंगूर उगते हैं उसे ट्री नहीं बोलते हैं, उसको वाइन्स बोलते हैं, ग्रेप वाइन्स, क्योंकि वो बेल पे उगता है. ऑलराइट. सो द रोज ऑफ बनाना ट्रीज लुक्ड वेरी अट्रैक्टिव. द चिल्ड्रन वर अमेज्ड टू सी द ब्रॉड एंड लॉन्ग लीव्स ऑफ द बनानाज. द बंचेस ऑफ द बनानाज वर टू ब्यूटिफुल टू डिस्क्राइब. सो द रोज ऑफ बनाना ट्रीज लुक्ड वेरी अट्रैक्टिव मतलब बनाना ट्रीज जो थे वो रो में लगे हुए थे, लाइन में लगे हुए थे. एंड द चिल्ड्रन वर अमेज्ड. They were so happy to see the broad and long leaves of bananas. Have you seen the banana trees leaves? They are very broad. बहुत big होती हैं और साउथ इंडियंस जो है उस पर रख के खाना भी खाते हैं. They are used as plates as well. The bunches of the bananas were too beautiful to describe. और bananas हमेशा bunch में लगते हैं, पूरा गुच्छा लगता है बनाना का. So they were too beautiful to describe. The grapevines too stood in rows. दे वर सपोर्टेड बाय दी बैम्बूज, और वहाँ पे ग्रेप वाइन्स भी लगी हुई थी, एंड ग्रेप वाइन्स वर ऑल्सो इन अ रो, पूरे रो में लगी हुई थी, लाइन में लगी हुई थी। और किससे सपोर्ट मिल रहा था ग्रेप वाइन्स को? बैम्बूज से। देयर वर बंचेज ऑफ ग्रेप्स ऑन दी वाइन्स, सम ऑफ देम वर राइप एंड सम वर रॉ। और ग्रेप वाइन्स पे बंच लगे हुए थे, अंगूर भी जो है, ग्रेप्स भी है, बंच में लगते हैं, गुच्छे में लगते हैं। सो दे वर देयर एंड फ्यू ग्रेप्स वर राइप, पके हुए थे, एंड फ्यू वर रॉ। द ऑर्चर्ड वेयर्स वेल लुक्ड आफ्टर बाय दी गार्डनर्स, और जो ऑर्चर्ड था उसको गार्डनर्स ने बहुत अच्छे से संभाल के रखा हुआ था। गार्डनर इज द पर्सन हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ द गार्डन। दे रिमूव द वीड दैट इज अनवांटेड श्रब्स एंड ग्रास। हैव यू एवर सीन इन द गार्डन की बहुत सारी अनवांटेड चीजें उग जाती हैं, तो उनको निकालना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो जो है वो दूसरे वाले जो क्रॉप्स होते हैं, जो ट्रीज होते हैं, उनका न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी ले लेते हैं। सो वी हैव टू रिमूव वीड्स टाइम टू टाइम। दे गैदर्ड द विदर्ड लीव्स एंड थ्रू देम अवे। विदर्ड मतलब जो टूटी हुई लीव्स गिरी हुई थी ना नीचे, उनको भी वो इकट्ठा करके फेंक रहे थे। देयर वॉज अ ट्यूबवेल टू इरिगेट द ट्रीज एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स, और वहाँ पे ट्यूबवेल लगा हुआ था ट्रीज को इरिगेट करने के लिए। इरिगेट का मतलब होता है पानी देना ट्रीज को, क्रॉप्स को जब पानी देते हैं उसको बोलते हैं इरिगेशन, इरिगेट करना। The children had a talk with the gardeners and they got a lot of interesting information. All the children who went for the trip, they had a word with gardener. Gardener से उन्होंने बहुत सारी बातें करी और बहुत सारी उनको interesting information मिली। They saw with their own eyes how the fruits grew. उन्होंने अपनी आंखों से देखा कि fruits कैसे grow होते हैं। How they were sent in carts and trucks to other big cities and how they are stored and they are sent for the sale. उनको बेचने के लिए कैसे भेजा जाता है। द टीचर ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन दैम मैनी अदर थिंग्स, और टीचर ने भी उनको बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीजें बताई। द विजिट टू द ऑर्चर्ड वॉज दस इंस्ट्रक्टिव एंड entertaining. So the visit to their orchard was very informative, it was full of knowledge and it was very fun filled. Now let's come to the question and answer. An orchard is a place where fruit trees are grown. The orchard was in a village on the outskirts of the city. In the orchard, the children saw countless trees of bananas, mangoes, guavas, oranges and peaches, all the above. The children were delighted to see rows of bananas, broad and long leaves of bananas. They were delighted to see the broad and long leaves of bananas. The grapevines stood in a row, were supported by bamboos, were both raw and ripe, all of the above. The orchard was well looked by the gardeners, who removed the weeds, who gathered and threw away the withered leaves, irrigated the trees at regular intervals, all the above. The children learned how the fruits are grown, how they were picked and packed in wooden boxes, and how they were sent to big cities, all the above. Now, explain the references to the context. Who said to whom and why? Now, in the story, किसने किसको कौन सा डायलॉग बोला ये आपको बताना है. What is an orchard, madam? ये किसने पूछा था? रोहित to madam. It was also gives us first hand knowledge of how people work in a fruit garden. Teacher to student. Teacher ने student को बोला था. Now with the question answers, I will be sending you these. Now match the words with the similar meanings. Prospect, amaze, bunch, weeds. Prospect. Prospect मतलब something looked forward to. Alright, किसी नया idea जिसको आप बहुत ज़्यादा interested हो करने में. Prospect. Amaze means surprise. Bunch means a cluster or a group. गुच्छा. Weeds means unwanted plants. Now use the words from column 1 in the following. ये आपको यहाँ पे fill करने हैं. We presented a bunch of flowers to our teachers. जब flowers को एक साथ इकट्ठा करते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं bunch of flowers. We call it bunch of flowers. My grandfather clears all the dash from the garden every week. Clear the weeds. Mary's ability to play the piano will amaze you. मतलब it will surprise you. She plays such a wonderful piano. The prospects of getting a new job pleased my father. प्रॉस्पेक्ट का मतलब कि आने वाले टाइम में उससे क्या बेनिफिट हो सकता है, या उसका मतलब हम उससे क्या मिल सकता है हमको. ऑल राइट, समथिंग विच वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. दीज आर दी प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स. नाउ पिक द ऑड वन आउट. मैंगो, बनाना, रोज, एप्पल. रोज इज अ फ्लावर एंड रेस्ट आर फ्रूट्स. रोज इज आउट. टी, रबर, कोको, कॉफी. These three things are used to drink. Rubber is a odd one out. Wheat, rice, maize, grapes. These three are crops. Grapes is a fruit. It is odd one out. Cabbage, cauliflower, guava, brinjal. All three are vegetables. Guava is a fruit. Now match the phrases. Match and make phrases. A bunch of A bunch of grapes. A bouquet of flowers. Flowers जब एक साथ होते हैं उनको bouquet बोलते हैं. A pair of socks. A bag of cement. A kilo of sugar. Make new words by joining these words. Watermelon. Beautiful. Beauty-some. Madam. Handful मतलब मुट्ठी भर के. Handful. Playground. Beauty-some. Sorry, by mistake I have done this, or I was wrong. Play with hand it will be some, and with beauty it will be full. That way it also be correct. Select words given in the bracket and complete these sentences. This is you need to do is as per your knowledge. आपको समझ के सोच के करना है. Chew and eat. अब chew कहाँ पे डालना है और eat कहाँ पे डालना है. Eat these sweet mangoes. The pear is hard. Chew it properly. Chew मतलब चबाना. Eat मतलब खाना. Alright. Although both are same words, they sometimes are used interchangeably, but both have a different meaning. Eat का मतलब होता है खाना. Chew means चबाना. Alright. I can hear someone weeping. Listen to the birds singing. Now, listen and hear are almost same words, but they do have a different meaning and they are used in different context most of the time. Hear का मतलब सुनना, सुन रहा है. Listen का मतलब ध्यान देना. Alright, listen का मतलब ध्यान देना. So I can hear someone weeping. मेरे को सुन रहा है कि कोई रो रहा है. Now I'm saying listen to the birds singing. ध्यान से सुनो, birds गा रही हैं. These flowers have a pleasant scent. Smell them. Breathe का मतलब होता है सांस लेना. Don't breathe in the polluted air. We can see many farmhouses in Delhi. Look at this photograph of Suratkar wheat farm. So see मतलब देखना, हम देख सकते हैं. Look मतलब जब हम ध्यान से देखते हैं चीज को. Look at it. Look at me. Look at this book. When I'm saying particularly कि इस चीज को देखो, then it is a look. Alright. See मतलब I'm seeing number of things. See this, see that. Alright. So these words have same meaning, but they can be used interchangeably, but they do have a different meaning. Alright. So now look at the pictures and solve the fruit puzzle. This is very simple. Grape number 1 है तो यहाँ पे आपको grape लिखना है. Number 2 downward आ रहा है papaya. Number 3 is banana, ऐसे जा रहा है. Number 4 is apple. 4 का downward आ रहा है apple. Number 7 is lemon. Number 7 is यहाँ पे है guava. Number 5 is lemon, like this. So that's how you need to fill this. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. Now few words have been given: orchard, information, intervals, rows, gardeners. You need to fill them. The children got a lot of information from the gardener. The trees were watered at regular intervals. The gardeners removed the weed. The rows of banana trees were very attractive. The visit to the orchard was as instructive as it was entertaining. Now change the gender. जो आपको italics में दिया है उसका gender change करना. This is very simple. You're going to do it on your own. रोहित father की जगह mother आ जाएगा. He, she, cow की जगह ox आ जाएगा. Sheep की जगह में sheep का male form आ जाएगा. Horses mare आ जाएगा. Alright, so that's how you need to change the genders of these words italics में जो दिए हुए हैं. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Now you all have done verb in the last class. आपको यहाँ पे verb को underline करना है. Now what is verb? You all know when something happens or exists, some action. Alright, that is a verb. So let us go on a visit to the orchard. So go and visit both are verb. An orchard is a place where fruit trees are grown. Grown is an activity. कुछ grow हो रहा है. Grown is a verb. The children were amazed to see the broad and long leaves of the bananas. So देखना is a verb here. The orchard was well looked after by the gardener. Looked. Alright, something is being going on. The children had a talk with the gardener and they got a lot of interesting information. Talk and got both are verb. Now, change the following sentences into question form. Our school will remain closed on Monday. Will our school remain closed on Monday? What you have to do, you have to make the question of these answers. They will visit the orchard on Sunday. Will they visit the orchard on Saturday? This tree will bear fruits next year. Will this tree bear fruits next year? So everything will start with will, alright, with a question. My mother will tell me an interesting story. Will my mother tell me an interesting story? Question mark. And don't forget to put question mark at the end of it. The police will arrest the criminals. Will police arrest the criminals? They will not play cricket. Will they play cricket? Question mark. So that's how you need to form the question. Make question to get the words in italics in the following sentences and answer. An orchard is a place where fruit trees are grown. So what is an orchard? तो आपको जो इटैलिक्स में दिया हुआ है ना, इसका आंसर लेके आना है ये वाला. तो आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछना है. An orchard is a place where fruit trees are grown. So question would be, what is an orchard? Nagpur is famous for its oranges. So what my question will be, what is Nagpur famous for? Nagpur is famous for its oranges. Only children can see the orchard. Who can see the orchard? The biggest wheat farm in India is situated at Suratgarh. Where is the biggest wheat farm situated in India? The fruits are sent by carts and trucks to other cities. How are fruits sent to other cities? कैसे भेजे जाते हैं? कार्ट से भेजे जाते हैं. The work will be completed by tomorrow. When will the work complete? Question mark. All right, and don't forget to mark the question mark at the end. Now, write the opposite of the following words and solve this puzzle. Across, down. Across means like this, down means like this. Up का मतलब up का opposite क्या होता है? Down. तो across में आपको first में down लिखना है, number 1 यहाँ पे. Last, third में. Last का opposite first. South. South number 4. South का opposite north. Left, right. Number 7. Number 7 is here, right. Now down, dry. Dry का opposite wet. Number 2, wet. Back, front. All right. So here. All right. Number 3. It can be front. It can be first. Cold. Cold का hot. Here. Dark. Light. 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 All right. So like this you have to do.